We are going to say about the 11th question. Front of the house, the flower plants are grown in a circular quadrant. Okay, it's like a circular quadrant. So they mention a quadrant. Quadrant means what? 1 by half. The quadrant angle. So if you're having a circle like this means, so you are dividing this is like this. So this part is your quadrant. So your circle is divided into 4 equal parts. That's only they mention. So this is your quadrant. That's only I am drawing in this place. So front of the house, they drawn like this. So the quadrant degree should be, in this angle should be 90 degree. Okay. You should listen in this place. The circular quadrant shape plot whose radius is 2 feet. Find the area of the pot in which the plants grow. Okay, so they given the diagram like this, so that's why I'm drawing like this. We already know the area of the quadrant. Angle is a 90 degree. So in this place I am having my 90 degree, and whose radius is a 2 centimeters, 2 feet. So I am having, this is my 2 feet, and this place also 2 feet. Okay, so what we are going to do, so what they are asking, area of the plotted. So area of so in the shape is area of the sector, right? So I am going to find out area of the sector equal to theta by 360 degree into square units. Okay, so what is what theta? 90 degree. What is the radius? 2 feet. Okay, substitute the value and get the answer. What's the theta in this place? 90 degree by 360 degree into, what's the pi value? Pi value equal to 22 by 7. They already given. Sorry, in this question 3.14. So I am substituting 3.14. Whether they given the value, you substitute. Okay, if they mention means you should substitute that value and write. So r square is 2 square. So in this place, just to look at 0 0 will get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. So in this formula, if you are going to find out area of the quadrant, because circular quadrant means that's the area of the quadrant. So what is the formula of area of the quadrant means? One of the way of writing the area of the quadrant, 1 by 4 of pi r square. Okay, this is also possible to write. Okay, please remember this. Area of the quadrant. Okay, area of the quadrant circle means 1 by 4 pi r square. That is also area of the sector formula. Okay, it depends on the theta, it's change. So area of the quadrant means 1 by 4 pi r square. If you know this formula, directly write area of the quadrant equal to, you can write this also correct. If you want to solve like this also, okay, no problem. So 1 by 4 into 3.14. What is a 2 into 2? 4. So 4 will get cancelled. What's the area? So in this plate, feet square. So feet square. So I am getting 1.14 feet. Okay, this is I am getting a square feet. Okay. Then your 12th question. Damu fixed the square tiles of 30 centimeter of the floor. And so whose floor centimeter is 30. So side is at 30 centimeter. The tiles has a sector design on it shown in the figure. So what is the design? So it's obviously sector design. Okay, in the middle we are having sector design. Find the area of the sector whose pi is at 3.4. So what they mention, the side is at 30 centimeter and whose pi is at 3.4. That's it, they mention. Okay, so I know my r value. So the square means obviously my angle is a 90 degree. So obviously this is a quadrant, right? So what shape it's a quadrant shape. So how can I can write. So what is this? 30 centimeter is your side of the tiles equal to 30 centimeter. Obviously this plane is also 30 centimeter, right? So this is my radius r. So quadrant, right? So area of the quadrant. In this place I am going to find out area of the sector. So it's like a quadrant, so I can use this formula. So 1 by, so you don't use in this place. If you're using 1 by 4 means you should mention quadrant. Otherwise you should mention sector means theta degree 360 degree into pi r square. So pi value is a 3.4 in this place, 3.14 in this place. And what's a theta in this place? In this place obviously my theta is a 90 degree. So what's my value? 90 degree by 360 into 3.14 into what's the value for r? Is a 30 square. No problem. So I know this is cancelling. I'm getting 1 by 4. So 3.14 into 30 into 30. What can I write? I can cancel in 2 table. 15. Again I am cancelling in this. 15. 15 into 15. You already know. 625. So 5, 2, 5, 7, 5, 1. So this is addition of this. What do you get? 225. So in this period 225 into 3.14. What I am getting in this part? 3.14, right? So multiply this. 3 5s are 20. So 2, 8, 10, 8, 9, 5, 2, 2, 15, balance 1, 15, balance 1, 6, 7, 0, 5, 9 plus this, 14, 16, balance 1, 0, and 7. So I'm getting how much? 7, 0, 6, 5, 0. So 2 digit. So I'm getting this centimeter square. Okay. Then you can see your 13th sum. What is the 13th sum? The 13th sum is nothing but a circle is in the form of 8 sector. So okay, circle is in the form of 8 sector equal granite. Okay, a circle is in the form of 8 equal granite stones or as shown in the figure. Okay. So they mention here is like a granite means like a shape, okay, granite. Granite. Each of the radius 56 centimeter whose central angle. So what they mention, each of the granites. Listen in this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So dividing like this. So I am equal part of the stone is divided. Okay. So from this I am getting my radius is 56. So if 8 equal parts, I am getting my theta is a 45 degree. They already calculated and given your theta. Find the area of the each of the granite. What is the area of the each of the granite? That's what it is asking. We already know the formula. First of all, what they given? Say already given central angle theta. Central angle theta equal to what? 45 degree. Then whose radius? R equal to 56 centimeter. And what is the area of a sector? Area of each of the granite you are going to find out. Each of the granite. So and the pi value they given 22 by 7 in this place. What's the formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square, because I know theta and r. So what's the theta? 45 degree by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into what's my r value? What's my r value? 56 into 56. Okay, so cancel to here. So in 7 table, how many times? 7 table 56 for 8 times, right? So I can, this is for 8 times in 360. So first I am cancelling in 9 table. 9 table 36 for 4. This is a 8 time, this 8 and this 8 it cancelled to 22 into 56. What is the value for 22 into 56? So 56 into 22 also I calculate. Is it 12, balance 1, 10, 11, so 2, 2, 1, 1, so 2, 3, 2, 1. So what's the area of this each and every? And it is what's that? Centimeter square. This much of the square centimeter. Thank you.